Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use MyChart Community. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is, if you are using your PC, then what you need to do is head over to your browser and then open up Community Health Network and then simply register with the code if you have it, or just simply sign into your account. And if you are using it through a phone, then what you need to do is download the community app and then log into your MyChart and then enter in the register code in the community app to log in. And the process is similar from here on out. Now once you have logged in, what you need to do here is click on this visit options as community health network, access to MyChart to view lab results, appointment information, current medications, immunization history and more on your mobile device or on your PC. So you can also have electronic check-ins as well. And now in order to do that, all you gotta do is simply click on visits, and once you click on visits here, all your appointments and visits will be displayed right here. Now in order to check in, all you gotta do is click on this e-check-in option right here, and once you tap on it or click on it, you'll be sent to your e-check-in page. Now there are a couple of processes like personal info, insurance, payments, travel history, medications, allergies and so on. Now all you gotta do is just simply complete all this process step by step, and once you have completed all the process like personal info, insurance, and once you have done with all that, and finally you'll be getting a message like e-check-in complete, thanks for using electronic check-in. And now your office visit with physician will be displayed right here, and your location will be displayed right here. And that's how you basically use MyChart Community. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.